Suddenly, coming into a large sum of money can be both exhilarating and overwhelming. Whether it's from an inheritance, a windfall from investments, winning the lottery, or selling a successful business, the key to making the most of your newfound wealth lies in taking careful and deliberate steps. Here are 15 things to do if you get rich all of a sudden. 1. Take a breath and stay grounded. The first and most crucial step is to avoid making any rash decisions. Sudden wealth can lead to emotional highs that might cloud your judgment. Take a deep breath and let the reality of your new financial situation sink in. It's important to stay grounded and not let the excitement push you into making impulsive decisions. 2. Consult a financial advisor. One of the smartest moves you can make is to consult with a financial advisor. Look for someone with experience in managing large sums of money and who has a fiduciary responsibility to act in your best interest. They can help you create a plan that aligns with your goals, whether it's investing, saving, or spending wisely. 3. Pay off debts. If you have any outstanding debts, such as credit card balances, student loans, or a mortgage, consider paying them off first. Eliminating debt can provide a sense of financial freedom and reduce the stress that often comes with owing money. It's like removing a weight off your shoulders and giving yourself a clean slate. 4. Set up an emergency fund. Even with newfound wealth, it's essential to have a safety net. Set aside a portion of your money in a high-yield savings account as an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 6 months' worth of living expenses to protect you in case of unexpected financial setbacks. 5. Create a long-term financial plan. Work with your financial advisor to create a comprehensive long-term financial plan. This plan should include goals for retirement, investments, education for children, if applicable, and any other significant financial milestones. A well-thought-out plan will help you manage your wealth responsibly and ensure that it lasts. 6. Invest wisely. Consider investing a portion of your newfound wealth to help it grow over time. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, can reduce risk and increase the potential for long-term growth. Avoid putting all your money into a single investment or high-risk ventures. 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest traps of sudden wealth is lifestyle inflation, rapidly increasing your spending to match your new financial status. While it's okay to treat yourself, avoid making drastic lifestyle changes that could deplete your wealth. Remember, just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. 8. Set a budget. Creating a budget is crucial, even when you're rich. A budget helps you track your spending and ensures that you're living within your means. It also allows you to allocate funds toward your financial goals, such as investing, saving, and charitable giving. 9. Be cautious with generosity. It's natural to want to help friends and family when you come into money, but it's important to be cautious. Set boundaries and establish a plan for how you'll handle requests for financial assistance. Consider setting up a family fund or making charitable contributions in a way that aligns with your values. 10. Plan for taxes. Sudden wealth can come with significant tax implications. Consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations and develop strategies to minimize your tax liability. This might include setting up trusts, making charitable donations, or taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. 11. Protect your assets. With more wealth comes more responsibility to protect it. Consider setting up a trust or a limited liability company, LLC, to safeguard your assets. Additionally, review and update your insurance policies to ensure that you have adequate coverage for your new financial situation. 12. Continue your education. Financial literacy is key to managing and growing your wealth. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth management. There are plenty of resources available, from books and online courses to seminars and workshops. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. 13. Consider philanthropy. If you have a passion for giving back, consider setting aside a portion of your wealth for charitable causes. Philanthropy can be a meaningful way to make a positive impact on the world. You can set up a donor-advised fund, create a foundation, or make direct donations to organizations that align with your values. 14. Avoid unsolicited financial advice. When people find out you've come into money, you'll likely receive a lot of unsolicited financial advice from friends, family, and even strangers. While some of this advice may be well-intentioned, it's important to be cautious. Stick to advice from qualified professionals and trusted sources to avoid making costly mistakes. 15. Enjoy your wealth responsibly. Finally, don't forget to enjoy your newfound wealth. It's okay to treat yourself to some of the luxuries you've always dreamed of, whether it's traveling, buying a new home, or pursuing a passion project. The key is to do so responsibly and within the framework of your financial plan. In conclusion, suddenly becoming rich is a life-changing experience that comes with both opportunities and challenges. By taking a thoughtful and measured approach to managing your wealth, you can secure your financial future and make the most of this unexpected fortune. Remember, the goal is not just to preserve your wealth, but to use it in a way that brings you fulfillment, security, and the ability to make a positive impact.